Excuse me?
No.
Also, don't forget to like and subscribe. Now.
Unboxing video featuring Cyrus this time.
Hi, Cyrus. How are you doing?
Amazing, Chelsea.
Cool.
Let's
Today-
watch that.
Elements of harmony. I know.
Okay, let's open it. Royale high. Which I'm gonna take. No code for you, Kelsey.
Can you go back? You're taking up the camera space. Excuse me?
No. Oh, my hair, my leg.
Wow,
Oh,
Cyrus.
I get hair.
You're getting hair on, Cyrus. I like.
It's
Wow.
amazing. Oh my God, we get some really good dolly. Royal high. Look at this dolly. Isn't it good? Hey!
Wow, the shoes are very, very you.
They're nice, right?
Oh, I like.
Oh, I'm gonna unbox the other accessories later. We're buying it, and this is what it comes.
Wow, what about this code? May I keep it, Cyrus? It's the moment you've been waiting for now. We have finally to your Christmas tree. But do you want to decorate it with your new accessories? Let's go decorate.